Hello, this is Dave Simon, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your new domain name and web hosting account. And once you've read through all of the features and benefits on this page, and there are many of them, you would simply click on sign up now. But before we do that, I want to point out a couple things. That the domain name you register will be free with this package for as long as you renew it. Now, you can cancel it 10 days before the renewal would come up next year, but you would lose the domain name as well, so you might want to consider that. And the other thing you get is you get some credits here for Google, Yahoo, and MIV for advertising in Google AdWords and a pay-per-click program with Yahoo. So it is a pretty good deal. So once you've read through everything, here to see everything that you're going to get, click Sign Up Now. You're going to come to the default page where it is going to be purchase a new domain name. Now this is where you're going to find out if it's available. You just come up with a name that you think you want to get, type it in there, and click on verify. Do not write .com or anything like that, just the name itself. I want to give you an example here that my 4DGS to show you that it's not going to be available when I hit verify, because I've already owned that. And you'll see here it is not available. Now you will see that all of these other boxes are not checked, so they are available if I wanted to buy them or if you wanted to buy them, but I don't recommend it, because if you would get, say, the .biz and somebody savvy and they think, well, I wonder what's under the .com, and they go to .com and they're going to go to my site. So you don't really want to do that, and that's true of any .com that's out there. They don't all get all of the other extensions unless there's some big business, and then they will get them all. So again, you want to get a .com because they get indexed better, and that's what people are familiar with. Now the other thing I want to point out too is numbers are not really a good thing in domain names. I got this years ago, as I said, and I really didn't know what I was doing, and you just don't want to get a number because they don't know if it's 4 or the number 4 or the word 4. So don't do it. Try to get everything lowercase letters, and if it's one word, 2 words, put it all together. And then once you're happy with the domain name that you've chosen, and I'm going to pick one in here that I know that would be available so that we can go to the next page. And you'll see that is available, and you'll simply click on add domains, because if you want to purchase all of them you can, but you'd have to pay for all the other ones. You're going to get one domain name free with this account. So under the .com it'll be checked. Simply click on add domains, and you will then come down here. You'll see that it's free for life. You'll have some options here to pay it once a year, 2 years, or 3 years, giving you another discount. And you get the same thing no matter how you pay for it. So if you want to save a few bucks, you can determine that yourself. But let's just click pay for the year and hit continue, and you'll come to this next page, and you're going to see a place for a coupon code, and in here you're going to put in 15 off in lowercase, and then check for coupon. And it took the $15 off, so it's $44.40 for the year. That is not a month, that is for the year. The other thing I want to point out is that use our free privacy protection for domains. You want to leave that checked. If you check the use personal information, all of this personal information will be on the internet under Whois. If anybody does a whois.com check to see who owns the domain name, your name and address and email and phone number will all come up, and so that just opens the door for a lot of spam. So it's good to just leave that check where it's going to be a privacy protection for all domain names, that when they do the whois.com check, your name's not going to come up. It'll be listed as a private registration, which is great. And that's an extra fee, so they're not charging anything for that, which is really a good deal. Now what you do is simply fill out the information, your personal information, your credit card information, and at the bottom here you'll simply check you've read the terms and agreements and about the cancellation and refund policy, and then you'll click complete order. Once you've done that, you're going to get an email with all of your login and user and password information. That email you will forward to me so that I can set up your account for you. You'll also want to send to me any pictures that you want to put on your site, and the home page edit it to fit your personality so that it's customized to you. And I look forward to working with you, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call.